To link your Google Search Console account with your Google Analytics, you will see sometimes recommendation in your Google Analytics dashboard. If you see that, you can click on link account. But if you didn't see any recommendations, then you can go from admin, this admin panel, and from there you will find product links and you will find Google Search Console here. Then click on the link and click on choose account and click on your Google Search Console account and confirm. You'll see that your account is already added. Now click on next, and I will only use web account, so click on next, and then your web account and your web stream, and click on submit. Okay, your link is created and connected. Okay, then after reloading, you will see that your Google Search Console is connected with Google Analytics.